raining. Wow. Chile's first snow. This is what we woke up to this morning, y'all. Welcome to Colorado. Gonna have to knock all this stuff off. We're not used to this. Ooh, it's cold. It's snowing outside. Annie's found a new spot on the dashboard. You see all the snow? What do you think? You're just glad you didn't have to get out in it. Yep, it's melting. Which is a good thing. Check out all the Christmas trees. They're flocked on the side of the mountain. Got this pretty creek running along. Just gorgeous. Little pull-off area. Can't miss an opportunity to take a picture. When you're somebody like me and you don't see this every day. Just like that, the sun's back out again. No more snow. And it's probably about 10 degrees warmer. Gotta love it. After all that journeying today, we made it to our campsite. Oh, look how gorgeous this is. Right here by the river. Slap dab in the mountains. Thank y'all for joining us on this different type of vlog. Just wanted to show y'all some of the scenery as we meandered through Colorado on this road trip. It's very beautiful. I'm officially in love with Colorado. So many places to camp, so much to do, so much beautiful scenery here. Definitely things I don't get to see in East Texas, and so I'm always amazed when I come to Colorado. So I'll probably be back many more times. But we're doing some wild camping tonight. We're still pretty close to a highway, but we're kind of out here by ourselves in the mountains by the creek, and I love it. So we're gonna unwind and just enjoy our time out here. Thank you again for watching. Hope you'll come back to see where we wander to next. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. It sure helps this little channel when you do, and thank you for all the comments. Thank you so much. I try to answer each and every one, so keep them coming. We'll see y'all the next time. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful area. See y'all later. Bye-bye.